Join me as I dive into the affiliate marketing world and challenge myself to uncover the secrets that could make me rich in 2024. Welcome back to my channel, where we constantly search for ways to build wealth online. Today, we'll discuss a business model that's gaining increasing traction in the digital economy: affiliate marketing. One of the reasons affiliate marketing is so popular is that it's relatively easy to get started. Anyone can sign up for an affiliate program, grab a link, and promote products online. But the truth is, most people fail miserably. They don't make any sales, get discouraged, and give up. One of the biggest misconceptions about affiliate marketing is that it's a get-rich-quick scheme. People think they can grow a website, slap affiliate links, and watch the money roll in. But that's not how it works. Affiliate marketing takes time, effort, and dedication. Another challenge people face is saturation. With so many people promoting the same products, standing out and getting noticed can be challenging. And on top of that, there's the constant noise from all the gurus and experts claiming to have the secret formula for success. It's enough to make your head spin. Let's not forget that building a successful affiliate marketing business requires knowledge and skills. You must create compelling content, drive traffic, and convert visitors into buyers. Without these skills, you're just shooting in the dark. So, what's the secret to success in affiliate marketing? Is it choosing the right niche? Is it leveraging social media? Is it building an email list? The truth is, it's all of the above. The key to success is building a solid foundation and using different strategies to amplify your results. For example, choosing the right niche is crucial. It would be best to find a profitable but not too competitive niche. Then, you must create content that resonates with your audience and drives them to act. Social media can be a powerful tool for promoting your content, and building an email list is essential for building long-term relationships with your audience. But there's one secret that can dramatically increase your earnings, which I want to share with you today. Are you ready? It's the power of high-ticket affiliate marketing. By promoting high-ticket products, you can earn commissions of thousands of dollars per sale. The best part is that you don't need to sell many products to make a significant income. The key to success in high-ticket affiliate marketing is building relationships and trust with your audience. You need to show them that you're an authority in your niche and that you have their best interests at heart. Then, you need to promote precious products that can change people's lives. So how can you get started with high-ticket affiliate marketing? The first step is to find a reputable affiliate program that offers high-ticket products. Then, you must create content showcasing your expertise and building trust with your audience. Finally, you need to promote your products in a way that resonates with your audience and drives them to take action. To recap, the secrets to success in affiliate marketing are building a solid foundation, choosing the right niche, leveraging social media, building an email list, and promoting high-ticket products. These strategies can dramatically increase your earnings and help you achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video. What do you think about affiliate marketing? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and if you want to learn more advanced strategies for affiliate marketing, check out my next video.